welcome to the world famous jungle cruise. My name is Skipper Abby and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Now before we get started, for your safety, please remain seated at all times with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. And parents, supervise your children. Or children, supervise your parents. Now if you happen to lose anything throughout our cruise, just raise your hand. I'll raise mine too, and then we'll wave goodbye to it. Yeah. Now on our right, you are going to see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Dr. Henry Rose is looking for the world's greatest treasure. Although I really don't know why he's looking over there, because I'm clearly standing right here. We're now about to enter our ancient Cambodian shrine, made by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Now on our left, you are going to see a 500-pound tiger that can jump up to 30 feet. But it's a good thing we're only 15 feet away, so we'll just go right over our heads, just like most of my jokes today. Also on our left, you're going to see my friend Ginger. Now something about Ginger, yeah, she's snapped. Yeah, she's one tub cookie. Oh, I'm sorry, I guess that joke was pretty crummy. Yeah, that's concrete evidence that elephants do exist. Yeah. Now speaking of that, we're now entering our sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Now feel free to take any pictures or videos because they all have their trunks on. Yeah. Just don't get me in any of the photos because my mom thinks I'm a lawyer. Yeah. And it looks like the whole herd is out. That's really unheard of. And straight ahead in that shower is my friend Bertha. You know, she's been in there for a long time. Yeah, that's what happens when you take a long shower. Yeah, you might turn into an elephant. Oh no, because that almost happened to me last week. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Oh, get down, get down. That was a close one. Oh no, he's coming back up. Everybody duck! Duck! Yes, I got you guys. That's what we call dry humor. Yeah. But I would never put you guys in any sort of danger. Oh. That looks dangerous, so let's get closer. Yeah. Now when it looks like monkeys have invaded our campsite, and when you look at that right there, there's a monkey with a gun. Yeah, looks like it's calling all the shots today. Look what they did to my poor car. They left the lights on. Now this looks really dangerous, so it looks like a banana and split. Now on our right, you are going to see the greedy gorilla who is trying to reach for some bananas. And for nap time, not if you're wearing any yellow, don't make any noises like a banana. Yeah, he might find that appealing. Now straight ahead is the most beautiful thing you'll ever see in your life. Then right behind me is Switzer Falls, named after Dr. Albert Falls, founder of civil navigation. Now we've just turned down the Nile River, where it goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're actually in a boat, but now you're in denial. Yeah. Now on our left and on our right, we're going to have an African bull elephant. Now this African bull elephant's name is Bobo. Everybody say hi, Bobo. Hi, Bobo. Watch this. Bobo, Bobo, speak. That one's Spanish. That's pretty cool, right? So we're now entering our African boat where you can find plenty of different animals, just like our stripy horsies right here in the front row. Then right next to it, we're going to have some bearded horsies. And then those tall ones in the back right there, yeah, we call those trees. Yeah. And when you look at that, how cute, oh, it's a stripy horsey sleeping, aw. Isn't it so kind for those lions to take care of it? It looks pretty dead. Tired, sorry, dead tired, but I guess it's just resting. It is. Well, now what it looks like, got me some trouble. You know, I told them to never argue with a rhino because they always end up getting their clinic off. In the end. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, sorry, I just saw some deer. Yeah. Now it looks like I'm making a wrong turn into the hippo hole, but don't worry, they're only dangerous if they wiggle their ears or blow bubbles, so we should be fine. Although I really hope they don't charge, because I don't have my wallet with me. Yeah. Uh-oh. Don't worry about that, I can get rid of them. Just cover your ears. Yeah, looks like I got the ones in the trees, so let's get out of here. I really scared that one stiff, didn't I? Yeah. I just saved your guys' lives. You're welcome, you're welcome. You know, some people come up to me and they tell me, your job is so easy that even a monkey can do it. That's funny, right? Okay, because a monkey can't drive a boat. Yeah, so. Oh. Yeah, jokes on them. Those are actually apes. Yeah. I would tell you the difference. There's a long tail, so we're gonna keep going. Now on our left, you are gonna see the cutest couple in the jungle. Now they're so cute that they give each other butterflies. Aww. You know, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah. All right, my friends. So the moment you have all been waiting for, we won. We only. We ape. Wonder of the world. Can I get a drum roll, please? Back side of the water!
Oh, 2-8! Oh, 2-8!
Oh, 2-8! Oh, 2-8! Oh, 2-8! You guys like my chemistry jokes? Yeah, I don't make it very periodically. Yeah, it's just not in my element. So we've now entered my favorite resting spot. And while we're here on our left, do you guys know what that is? Right there on our left. That's bamboo. Bamboo. Did you guys know that bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall? You know that I always said it was 7, but that's a whole other story. Yeah. Now, look up ahead, there is a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. You know, some people get pythons and boas confused, but does anybody know the difference? Python and a boa? Feathers. So we now have arrived at Trader Sam's gift shop. Now anything you want, she'll probably try to get for half the original price. And this is my friend Ellie right here. Everybody say hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Yeah, you know, some people say that's water coming out, but I can assure you it's stuff. Alright, my friends, get ready to make the most dangerous turn of all. The return to civilization. Give yourselves a round of applause because you just survived the ropes and the jungle cruise. And my jokes. Now before we head on to that dock, just a reminder to keep those hands and elbows inside the boat at all times and please remain fully seated. I just want to thank my legs for supporting me, my fingers and toes for always being able to count on them, and you guys for joining me here. And just remember that at the end of the day, it's night. Yeah, that just dawned on me right now. Now be careful for those trees because I heard that they can be pretty shady. Yeah. Well, I just want to say that you have all been outstanding today. And by outstanding, 1 second, friends. So like I was saying, by outstanding, I mean really outstanding. But in just a moment, I will make you guys all outstanding on that dock. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 words that my mother told me when I turned 18. Oh no, 2 words. Sorry. Those were get out. Oh, I'm sorry. Was that rude? Please get out. 1, 2, I don't understand.